Welcome everyone, I am again with you with the another module, module 6 of unit 3. The unit 3 is environmental pollution. So today we are going to discuss the soil pollution. Soil pollution, that means it defined as the presence of toxic chemicals, or you can say the pollutants in this soil at a high enough concentration to endanger human health or any living system. So soil pollution, what are the causes of soil pollution? Causes of soil pollution, that means how all the contaminants are mixed with the soil ecosystem. So whether pollutants or all the toxic chemicals which are adding in the soil ecosystem, these may cause the soil pollution. They may cause the soil, and that is known as soil pollution. So such pollutants include metals, inorganic ions, heavy metals, the salts like phosphate, carbonates, sulfates, nitrates, and many other biological compounds like lipids, proteins, DNA, RNA, fatty acids, hydrocarbon, alcohols, polyaromatic hydrocarbons, etc. These are the pollutants which can mix with the soil and they may cause pollution in the soil. These compounds are made primarily of microbial activity in the soil and the decomposition of living organisms as well. Now, in this particular diagram, you can understand how what are the sources of soil pollution. So by domestic waste we can have soil pollution, by industrial waste we can have soil pollution, by leaching of landfills may cause soil pollution, by the effluents generated from any organization or any household may impact the soil, and also the addition of the transport waste in the soil may cause the soil pollution. The solid waste also may cause soil pollution. So there are many sources by which soil get contaminated. So natural pollutants. Natural processes can lead to accumulation of soil chemicals in the soil. This type of pollution is recorded only a few cases, such as the accumulation of high level of perchlorate in the soil from the Atacama Desert in Chile. This is an example. So the interaction of soil to the natural interaction of the soil to the contaminants. The next is man-made pollutants. Man-made pollutants, that means the anthropogenic sources of sources for the soil pollution. That means wide variety of pollutants, organic or inorganic, as I discussed earlier. They can pollute the soil alone and combined with a few natural pollutants. The anthropogenic pollutants is often the result of improper disposal of industrial and urban waste, industrial activities and agricultural pesticides, insecticides and all. Now what are the effects? That means soil pollution affects but obvious flora and fauna or any living system, because soil is the integral part of any system, any living system you can say. So although anyone is at risk of soil pollution, the effect of soil pollution may vary depending on age, general health condition and other factors such as the type of pollution and inhalation or the other activities. Now therefore it is important to check the ground before allowing your children to play there, especially if you live in an industrial area, because they may be in the interaction of soil pollutants. Now these are the another figure by which you can see how such soil pollution can happen. Now humans can be affected by soil pollution by inhaling gases from the surface or by inhaling something that is disturbed and carried by the air from the soil. Soil contamination can cause a variety of health problems like headache, nausea, fatigue, skin rashes, eye irritation, etc., which can lead to more serious conditions such as neuromuscular obstruction, kidney and liver damage and various type of cancers in human. Now, how we can reduce such type of contamination in soil? That means improving city planning and transportation planning and wastewater treatment, because water is also interacting with the soil. So if water get contaminated, it may also contaminate the soil. So that means encourage a more environment friendly or eco-friendly models of industry, agriculture and livestock breeding among other economic activities, improve mining waste management, restore state and conserve more soil, involve local communities and indigenous people in the construction, use and evaluation of sustainable land and land management. So what we have discussed today, what is soil pollution, what are the sources of soil pollution, what are the causes, or you can say what are the effects of soil pollution, and how we can reduce the soil pollution. Thank you.